Hey guys, NV here. Sorry I haven't been on. I have a lot of things going on, and that's just keeping me from doing any videos. But in this one, someone brought to my attention that I should show what version of Photoshop I'm running. So, what I'm going to do is go up to Help and About Photoshop. And right here, 21.1.0, that is the latest version of Photoshop that I am running. I am up to date with pretty much everything of Adobe. And if I pull up Creative Cloud, all the applications, this is pretty much the command center manager here, and go to Adobe right here, click on these three dots, go to other versions right here, 21.1. Okay, this is the latest version. And below that are the older versions, obviously. I am up to date on everything here. Camera Raw does its own thing. And if I go up to Help and About down here, you can see the version that everything is at the moment. Uh, this should say 2020, not 2019, but whatever. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that and clear that up in case you may be wondering. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.